In chapter 10, next topic we are going to see about uses of computer networks. So, as computer network is a major role on providing more information to the individual person or into the large organization, nowadays almost all companies, banks and everything was totally made the transaction by using computers, and the transactions are going in various locations, maybe in same campus or in different building or in different cities and entire world, different places on end world. And the common uses of computer networks are communication, resource sharing, data or software sharing, and then money saving. So in this communication, what is communication? We are going to communicate or we are going to interact with different set of peoples, and those people can be anywhere in the world. So as we use SMS or MMS or email or chatting or video call conferencing or what else to interact with the person. So this is one advantages of using internet communication. And the next topic is resource sharing. So what is resource sharing? From the name itself we can say resource. What தமிழ்லனா வளங்கள். So என்ன மாதிரி வளங்கள்? Printers share பண்றது, space, memory space share பண்றது, scanner, PDF, fax machine. So here it allow all kind of program, equipments and available data which are used to share between one person to another. And then next topic is software or data sharing. So here we are going to share one software from one software to another, because with the help of ShareIt app or some other apps we are installing one app from Play Store. So likewise here it is used to share the files which cannot be taken backup or duplicate, and those files are unavailable due to the suppose we are sharing some files from the server. If we are deleted or with some interruption, those files are got deleted, we can alternatively again get the same data from the server. So sharing the software is achieved with the help of computer networks. And the next topic we are going to see about money saving. So how we can save the money as an organization. Financial is the essential part, and how to save money with the help of networks. So by using networks we can save the paperwork, we can save the manpower, and also we can save the time. In business, time is money. So how we are reducing the time, we can earn more money. So as network is reducing the time, we can earn more money. And the next topic we are going to see about network in business. In previous centuries, how the traditional way of business can be transferred, and nowadays with the help of computer networks, those traditional way of business have been changed, and internet become full strength. With the help of wireless communication we can make the business more effective, and the uses of cloud computing, and with the help of cloud computing we can safely share the data between the two business organizations, and we can share more data between the headquarters and branch offices. So here the internet plays the important role for e-banking and e-commerce. And in business, for cheapest marketing was carried out with the help of networks. What is cheapest marketing? The cheaper marketing, wherever the same product is available in the entire world. So in the entire world, the same product is available in which country with the cheapest cost. We can search out, and we can, with the help of internet, we can get it directly without any brokers, without the human invention or any interaction. We can easily buy a product or purchase any product with low cost, and the brokerage is avoided or reduced with the help of networks. And also we can satisfy the customer, and very easier, and a customer can choose out and can select the product and purchase it. Here all the entire transaction like company renewals, license, other certificates, bill payments, receipt, invoices and everything can be done without any boundaries. That is what an additional job, that is what nowadays going on. Data entry job, that is data someone is purchasing. In foreign they are purchased and from the supermarket they have transferred the information and we can get the information through the internet in India, and we are billing and we are transfer the bill to the same supermarket. So this process is handled efficiently with the help of internet. And then government subsidies are available for the business to promote the business by digitalization. So if you want to create a website for your organization, government will help you by giving subsidies.